Full stack web development. It is combination of front-end client side and back-end server side. Front-end. The front-end is the part of a web application that users interact with directly. It includes everything that users see and experience in their web browser. So we can define users what are seen in browser or screen. Front-end, client side. Three major languages: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Some of tools quizzes provide us built-in class, Bootstrap, Skeleton, Materialize. Some of web framework and library: React, Angular, Vue. Backend. The backend is the server side of a web application that processes data, handles business logic, and communicates with the frontend. Users do not directly interact with the backend, so we can define users what are not see in browser or screen. Backend server side. Three major languages is Java, PHP, Python. Some of framework: Laravel, Django, Express. Some of database where restore data: MySQL, Oracle, MongoDB. Three-tier architecture: presentation layer or client layer, business logic layer, and data access layer. This is using for full stack. Presentation layer: users see releases on device screen. Business logic layer: in this layer is working on server. Data access layer: basically this is database. Traditional web development. Presentation layer: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Business logic layer: Python, Java, PHP, C++, Ruby. Data access layer: DBMS, MySQL, SQL. JavaScript web development. Presentation layer: we are using here Angular or React. Business logic layer: we are using here Node.js and different Node.js modules. Data access layer: we are using here MongoDB.